We want to see how we can create staircase in Revit architecture. So at times you might want to create a staircase that's not in Revit's default templates, like you have to create yours. So you go to architecture, go to stair. Alright, so you go to edit type. So let's change the riser to 150 mm, change the tread depth to 300. You can adjust the width to what you want. Let's say we're working with 1.5. Okay. Now the second thing you do, you set your top level where you want the staircase to end. Okay, based on our levels, we want a staircase from level 1 to level 2. So our top level is going to be level 2. So it's going to calculate, okay, desired numbers of staircases of risers, you need 26. Okay, so let's go to level 1. Now these are the default staircases that Revit has, and this is what we want to achieve. So let me just show you these. Okay, let's go with this is straight flight. If you want a straight flight, to it's showing you 26 risers created. Okay, 23, 2 created. Okay, so it's 26. Now these are the default kind of staircases Revit has, but we want to create something like this. How can we really achieve this? Because if you should click any of this, you can't really edit them. Okay, you can't edit them. So I'm just gonna delete them. It's not what we want to do. Okay, so this is what we want to create. How do we go about it? You go to this create sketch. Create sketch. All right, so you adjust your boundary, you just draw the boundary of the staircase, the boundary where you want the staircase to cover. So just draw the boundary here. Okay, this way. Okay, that's all for boundary. Then next thing you do is click on riser. Alright, now make sure your risers are set. Okay, so we want to draw riser. You can just use your line, just draw. there's no extension, they are all joined together. Okay, so we're gonna trim this part. Okay, so you go to your trim this part. Okay, and here and here, ensure they all connect. Okay, here, okay, here and here. Okay, so then the next thing you do is stair path. Okay, click on stair path. On stair this way. This is your line. This. Okay, stair paths. Alright, so this is it. You started by creating boundaries, then you create risers, then your stair path. Okay, then we just finish it. Right, let's go to 3D. Let's see what we've done. Okay, so as you can see, this is our default staircase, right? Okay, this is our default staircase. Alright, so you can just simply change this handrail to 5. Alright, so you can just change the handrail. Okay, so this is it, looking interesting, right? Okay, so for you to change the material of this, just simply click on it, edit stairs. Alright, click on it. Okay, so you can change the thread material. You can change the thread material, you can change the riser material. Okay, so that's all. So that's it for how to create stair using create. You can just click on it, edit sketch if you want to edit, if you want to add more risers, you want to adjust the kind of staircase, just click edit. Alright, so okay, put salt. So now you can just finish. You can simply select and copy one level to another. Okay, so sorry, I'm saving this. This is our staircase. Okay. Yeah, so